Civic Serpentine belt. Right down there, that nut, it's a 19 millimeter. You gotta push towards the car. You wanna take off your tire, go on your wheel well. Remove these fender guards. That'll expose your whole belt. So now, with a 19, you have a box and a wrench. Just push forward.
Push?
Yeah. Once you push, you'll be able to get the belt off with your alternator.
Yeah.
Now you can come down here and completely remove it. Just remember your routing.
Yeah, you remember.
Alright, belt's been removed. Go into the car. You can look up the diagram for this. You can kind of see where the belt routes. Alternator, water pump, AC compressor, crankshaft, and the power steering's in the rear. But like I said, you can Google the diagram on how the belt's routed. But that's it. Honda Accord Serpentine belt replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.